What's up guys, Joe Turbo here, filming another train. I know a lot of my videos are at night, but I think it's cool watching it at night. Sometimes it's hard for me to catch him during the day because of the time change. He doesn't come by Cocoa till 3:30. You can call it City Point, where they're building the new rail tracks from the airport. It's right where I'll see the train most of the time. But right now I'm in Titusville by the marina, under the bridge. Oh, you can see him through the woods. Well, those are street lights. I can hear him from here though. But hope you guys like my videos. I just started filming these trains after watching everybody else filming them. And I'm not this tech savvy guy. This is all new to me. So don't mind the bad quality or the camera shake. I'd rather film as I see it. So yeah, it's gonna be awesome. He's coming around now. It's gonna be awesome. But yeah, I'm at the Titusville Marina, where US 1 goes over the railroad tracks. This is where he comes from the straightaway from New Smyrna Beach along the river, down where they can get the tanks to NASA when they used to run the fuel to NASA, down by JJ Bridge. Here he comes. This is gonna be awesome. Here we go. Here he comes. Big old boy. Yeah. Wow, that was awesome. Just to let you know, he has a huge bank turn under this bridge. That was awesome. I'm literally, I don't know, here's the wall. I'm not that far from the track. Hang on, I don't know how to hold this flashlight very well, do I? There we go. Yeah, you can't see it, but I'm 5 feet away. Holy cow, that was such a rush. That was awesome. If any of you are locals, you need to check out Titusville Marina. Come all the way down. There's a huge park you can park in. It's free parking. This is awesome. I've never been able to catch it during the day, but now I am. I'll sit out here for hours. Alright guys, Joe Turbo out. Hope you like this video. Hope you can at least feel the power of that beautiful train. Alright, peace out.